Introduction to Zero-Knowledge File Storage.
Zero-knowledge file storage means your data is encrypted so that only you can access it. Not even the service provider can view your files. This tutorial will guide you step by step to set up a secure, privacy-first cloud storage solution, ensuring that your personal files remain confidential every time you upload them.
Choosing a zero-knowledge cloud provider.
Select a service known for zero-knowledge privacy, such as sync.com, tresorit, or Proton Drive. These providers offer end-to-end encryption, meaning your files are secured locally before being uploaded. Check features, pricing, and platform compatibility to ensure it meets your needs, and review their documentation to confirm their zero-knowledge policies.
Creating and securing your account.
With a strong, unique password, and consider enabling two-factor authentication. Remember, with zero-knowledge storage, if you forget your password, the provider cannot help recover your data. Secure your recovery keys and consider storing them in a safe location, since only you can unlock your files.
Uploading and managing files securely.
Install and log in to the app or web interface provided. Files are encrypted on your device before upload. When adding files or folders, double-check that they are marked as end-to-end encrypted. Use only trusted devices and networks, and organize your files for easier management within the encrypted storage.
Sharing files without losing privacy.
Share files securely by using your provider's encrypted link system or temporary sharing options. Avoid sending unencrypted copies. If you need to collaborate, invite others through the platform. And confirm that shared files remain end-to-end encrypted, protecting everyone's privacy throughout the process.
Maintaining security and good habits.
Regularly update your app, use strong passwords, and review account security settings. Periodically review your recovery information and backup strategies. Remain vigilant for signs of unauthorized access. And remember, with zero-knowledge storage, the responsibility for your data security remains in your hands.